a type of reproduction in which male and female parent involved to reproduce a new baby. Okay, fine. Male and female reproductive cells. Reproductive cells. Male and female reproductive cells fused together to form form a fertilized egg, and then grows into the organism. Got it? Now, so reproductive cells are called gametes. Okay, reproductive cells are called as gamete. Okay, the male sexual organ reproduces the sperm cells. Okay, now male reproductive organ. Okay, because organ is required to reproduce a baby, so male has reproductive organ and female have reproductive organ. Female reproductive organ. So male reproductive organ releases sperms, okay, and female reproductive organ releases eggs or ovum. Sperms will go into eggs and fertilized. Okay, sperms goes into the eggs and fertilized and form uh, zygote. Okay, and zygote, there are some stages by which a baby can be formed. Okay, now next heading is hermaphrodites. Okay, so hermaphrodites. 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 So hermaphrodites are those animals or those creatures which has male and female organs. Okay, which has male and female organs. Means they have male reproductive organ and female reproductive organ, or we can say they have male reproductive cells and female reproductive cells in themselves. Okay, so they are known as hermaphrodites. But in human, a female has separate reproductive organ and male has separate reproductive organ. So they have sperms and ovums. Okay, so during the sexual reproduction, the sperm and ovum fuse together to form a third cell known as zygote. So that I have told you in previous slide. Yes, this sperm fused into egg or ovum form zygote. Okay, the fusion of the sperm and the ovum is called fertilization. So what do you mean by fertilization? Fertilization. So fertilization is the fusion of sperm and the ovum. Sperm and ovum is called as fertilization. Got it? Fusion occurs. After fusion, it changes into zygote, and zygote will change into the baby. Because in your book, direct baby is given. Okay, from zygote to baby. But there are some more stages by which a baby come in the newborn. Okay, so fertilization. There are various methods by which the fertilization takes place in the living world. So we have heard the ad about IVF. IVF. So IVF is the method by which the fusion can be occurred externally. Okay, so we are talking about method of fertilizations. Okay, methods of fertilization or types of fertilization. Okay, so methods of fertilization will be external fertilization. First one is external fertilization. External fertilization. So external fertilization. Sea animals such as starfish, jellyfish gather in a large group in the water. They lay their eggs and sperms together on the surface of water. The sperms fuse with the eggs on the water to form a zygote, and the zygote develops into a new individual in the water. This type of fertilization is known as the external fertilization, as it occurs outside the animal sperm. Okay. So we can write the process in which fertilization occurs outside of the body. Okay, so it is mostly seen in mostly seen in mostly seen in aquatic animal. Okay, so it is all about external fertilization, like frogs also. Okay, near the ponds and lakes. Okay, yes. Now next one, internal fertilization. When fertilizers occur in inside the body, like human being, yes, fertilization occurs inside the body. Okay, so in the birds, reptiles, and mammals, the male deposits the sperm inside the reproductive system of the female. Fertilization occurs, the zygote is formed inside the female's body. This type of fertilization that occurs inside the body of the female is known as internal fertilization. Okay, inside the body, inside the female body, or you can say female body. Okay, inside the female body. Okay, so male sperm inject in female body and fused with female ovum and further process carry on. Okay, male sperm inject in female body or female reproductive system, female reproductive organ and fused with the female ovum and further process carry on. And new baby is born. New baby is born. Got it? Now, puberty. Puberty. Okay, we are talking about puberty. So the onset of the sexual maturity occurs in the boys at the age of 11 to 16 and the girls in the age of 10 to 15. This is known as puberty. So these the changes occurs at the age of 11 to 15 in boy and girl. Okay, changes occur at the age of 11 to 15 in boy and girl. Like boy becomes muscular, mustache, beard, uh, hair under armpit. Okay, and mm, low pitch, and louder noise, louder sound. Okay, louder sound. These changes occur in the boy, and in girls, no mustache and same hair under armpit, hair under armpit, and high pitch means shrill, shrill voice means sharp voice. And one more thing, hair grown over the or above the reproductive organ means lower abdomen. Okay, like in female also. Okay, hair grown below the abdomen. Okay, so these are the changes when a child enters in puberty. Now, we will study one moment. In boy, puberty is marked by the voice becoming deeper, growth of the hair on the face and body, development of muscles and production of response by the testes. In girls, the breast becomes bigger and hips get more rounded. These changes are caused by the hormones that are different in the girls and boys. Okay, so they are because of the hormones. So hormones are testosterone, and uh, these are found in boys, and in girls, estrogen. Estrogen found in girls. So because of testosterone or estrogen, the boys become boy and girl become girl. Okay. The male reproductive organ has a pair of the testes. They are located outside the abdominal cavity in the sac called the scrotal sac. Okay, the pouch-like structure. You have seen the yellow color type balls and one lining under the balls. This is known as scrotal sac, and the yellow balls is known as testes. Okay, the testes produce the male gamete or sperms in the millions. Each sperm is a single cell. Okay, each sperm is a single cell with all the usual cells component. Each sperm has the head, middle, and piece and the tail. Means it has like this. This is like it is the structure of sperm. Okay, it is head and it is midpiece and it is tail. The diagram can be come in your exam. Okay, so it is human sperm. Got it? The testes also secrete the male hormone that is testosterone. So testis, what is the function of testis? Function. Yes. Tell me. Yes. Testosterone and sperms. Okay. Got it? The sperms leave each testis through the sperm duct as the or vas differens. So vas differens is the pipe or the tube which carry sperms. Okay. As the sperm move through the sperm duct, fluid from the three glands pour their secretion into the duct. The mixture of fluid and sperm is called the semen. Thus, the sperm swim it in the reach of the urethra, which lies inside the penis. The penis is the organ that transfers sperm into the vagina of the female body. Okay, so you can see the white colored tube, which is turned into the yellow cap. So here are the two or three ducts, like prostate gland or prostate gland is semivesical glands. Okay, these are the glands which secrete a liquid substance in the sperm, and the collection or the mixture of fluid and sperm is called as semen. Okay, and went through urethra. Okay, went through urethra, which lies inside the penis, which lies inside the penis, and went to and transfer to female body, or we can say vagina.